We're now seeing the after effects of the afternoon stormy, windy weather.
Troy Class is live on the southeast side where a big tree, we understand, was blown over, Troy.
Yeah, Lenamia, that's right. Now, luckily, it doesn't appear that there was any additional damage. No, but you could take a look behind me and you could see just how large that tree is, and you can just see just how large and just how probably likely all that wind just come in and pushes it over. And you can see that, again, right now, it doesn't look like that the surrounding neighborhood got impacted too severely, other than people maybe not being able to drive down this street at the moment. So, but as you can see, you can just take a look. This is a pretty large tree, likely meaning that it's pretty old as well. And we actually did see a couple other trees as we were coming here to this neighborhood, which again, we're in the area off of Mykawa and Belfort in the southeast Houston area. So what we had seen is a lot of smaller trees also looked like they had some wind damage, but this one obviously being the big one here. So, and again, we are waiting to hear, we haven't seen any other crews out here yet to get rid of this debris. And again, luckily, the most important thing is that the neighbors in this area appear to be safe as well. So we've been monitoring the damage all here tonight. So we'll keep you posted as conditions change. Reporting live in Southeast Houston, Troy Kless, KHOU 11 News.